Today we have got 3 kinds of solder station from SUGON, the SUGON T26D, T3602 and T36. Now we will unbox it. Okay, let's go. Now we have installed the 3 kinds of solder station. Some parts are different, like this one. It is designed for beginner and for all kinds of micro solderer. Like this is a 150. It's suited for micro soldering, and this is designed together. This is for holder your soldering handle and to fix it here. Clean and dispose. Like another, the T26D. The design is different. Beside this one, and the handle is bigger. This is a C210. And the cleaning part is not sponge but the brushes. Like this one, it's designed for master. This part is designed for the micro solder, and you can do all kinds of solderings by this C210. Besides, it has 2 stations. This part is for C150 and this part is designed for C210. Now we will connect to the power supply. Now here is the SUGON T26D. We have connected the handle with this station, and here is the 3 channel. We can set different temperature here, like the first, second, and third. First one, now the temperature is 300. We try to adjust to the 150. Oh, it's very fast. Besides, we can replace the tips through this button and fix here. We can clean through this fountain inside all the brush. Like this one, there are more options. Look at them. Here's 3 kinds of different choose among the with handle or without handle, and with tips or without. But here is a list. We can choose the solder station handle and the different onion tip. This solder station is designed for the master. We have the 2 voltage, and we can choose the JBC onion or without it. Here is the list with the holder, handle, tips, and menu, like this one. The T36. If you usually do all kinds of solder, you can choose this one. The price is affordable, and it comes with the station handle, JBC, solder iron tips, and the whole keyboard. It with the C115 handle. It had the 4 channel. as you can adjust here. Here is the power. The channel 2. And we can also replace the tubes here and color it here. Now here is the SUGON T3602. It has 2 channels and 2 handles. The left is the C115 and the right is C210. It also has the 2 holders, the left and the right. It can be used for replace the soldering tip and clean your soldering tip. This is brush and the right. This part is sponge. And here the power at temperature, real-time temperature, and the right is the 210 real-time temperature and its power. The A dome is for the right, left, and the B dome is for the right. It has the two channels for the left and the right. You can also change the temperature unit here. Besides, it also comes with the SUGON soldering annual repair punch and this clean bone at the station. The cushion. We have used the 3 kinds of soldering station. This part is designed for the master level. It has 2 handles and 2 stations. You can choose it and it with this cushion and the atom. And if you always do all kinds of soldering, you can also choose this one. This is affordable and also with C210. And if you're beginner, please choose this one for can do all kinds of micro solder. If you are interested in our product, transmit our video on YouTube, on Instagram, you can get a free one. And if you want to test them, please contact me. Maybe you can get a free one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.